What's up, guys? So it's been a long time since I've done an update or a video or anything on my channel at all. I didn't really have time being with the twins and it being cold out. I haven't really done that much, but today it's 70 degrees out here. So as you see, I don't have the car in the garage, so I officially just moved it out and we're about to do some power washing. I'm about to spray this thing down at first initial cleaning. I kind of already did the bay a little bit, but I got to go more anyways, so I got to spray it. So this is where we're at. So far it's somewhat clean, but I'm about to actually power wash the whole entire car. This thing is filthy. Filthy. I might even jack it up, take these wheels off, take the wheel liners out. I want to give it a clean. All the jams are filthy. This side I kind of half-assed wiped down. So you can see on the roof, look how filthy. I just noticed this weird bumper fitment. I think it's off the guides or something. But we got a pretty good gap right there. Let's see the other side. Yeah, it's the other side. I mean, it's got a gap, but nowhere near like the other one. So I gotta figure that out. But I mean, look at this thing. Filthy. So I'm about to start the power washer, and we're gonna start power washing this thing. So we got this thing all power washed down for the most part. It's like the bay cleaned up really good. There's still some grease on the subframe though, so I think I might just drop the subframe anyways. For today though, I really wanted to get all the power washing done. So what I'm gonna do right now, I think, is jack up the rear, and I'm gonna take these wheels off, give all up in there a good cleaning so I can back this thing back up in the garage and put the wheels back on and keep it on the ground but all clean. So I think that's what we're gonna do right now. Take advantage of the 70-degree weather. Alright, so we're about to take some good old purple power. Spray these calipers real quick. See how red they turn out. 3/20th anniversaries. Because they're red from the factory, which is kind of cool. And they're upgraded size, which I don't know the size. I just know the calipers are bigger than stock 1.8. Regular GTI, regular Jetta. I'm not gonna get these perfect. Just want to make them red again, so they stand out behind the wheel. And I vote we get this wheel back on. I was gonna take the wheel shields out, but obviously this car is clean. It is a Texas car, so I know there's not gonna be much dirt behind there. I'm not really too worried about it. I don't plan on taking the wheel shields out anyway. These wheel studs, lug studs, whatever you want to call them, these are lifesavers. I recommend if you have a European vehicle, get one. So this is the same process, except this time I'm actually gonna spray in here first. Let this stuff soak for a minute. I probably should have did the same thing on the other side, but oh well. This ain't no show car right now. All right, just gotta clean this stuff up. I want to go a little bit more on the engine bay today, but I think I'm gonna wrap it up. As you can see, it's pretty clean. I got everything way cleaner than it was, let me tell you. It's not perfect. And that's pretty much it for the day. You can see me struggle with this damn lawnmower. This is gonna be fun. All right, let's finish getting this turd in this damn garage. This shit's getting me tired. I wish I just had an engine so I could just pull this thing right in. Ugh. Alright, so don't worry, we leaked a little power steering fluid. Ain't nothing too crazy. So I pretty much got what I wanted clean. I didn't go too crazy. Going crazy with taking the subframe out, putting this thing up on jack stands, taking all the wheels off, blah blah blah. But that's a big old task. All in all, if you see, we got just about everything cleaned. Subframe. So we got pretty much the bay clean. I just want to get all that grease off, all that dirt off. And I did roll it outside and power wash that thing, so it does look better. I didn't wash it, we just pressure washed it, so. But we got her clean enough. So much work to do still. Way too much work to do still, unfortunately. So that's where we stand today. Thanks for tuning in. It's been a while since I posted. It feels good to actually do something on the car and actually record something. I mean, I know it's not the greatest content, but it's something to watch, I guess. For now, I mean, my next video, I'm probably gonna do interior. I'm gonna start cleaning up the interior, get that all cleaned up and nice, because I'm still waiting on this frame to be welded in. And until I get this frame welded in, there's not much I can do to the engine bay. I can start doing on timing belt and water pump on the engine, which actually I might start doing. That's sitting right here. So since it's out, I'm actually gonna do it right here. I already got the kit. My next step is to get an engine hoist and start power washing this thing as well. This thing is caked with grease and dirt, and so my next step is to power wash all this. I mean, if you look in there, it's disgusting. So, but yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna try to be up on this more content so the weather's nicer. I'm actually about to start having 3 days off a week. So once I start having 3 days off a week, I'll be able to tackle more stuff on this car. And stay tuned. I have another project being delivered to the house here within the next week or two. That's going to be interesting. But first things first, we got to wrap up this GTI. So we'll be back, guys.